Welcome to Ocolab YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the features of stage-top incubation systems with manual gas mixer for time-lapse microscopy. Time-lapse microscopy involves imaging cells on more than one point in time. From hours to days, the challenge is how to keep your cells alive while on the microscope. You have to control temperature, gas concentration, and humidity. The chamber located on the stage and containing your sample provides heating and prevents humidified CO2 from dissipating. It's compact and easy to remove. Remember to use an objective heater if you're imaging with oil immersion objectives. Ocolab newest stage-top systems are affordable and use a manual gas mixer. They are compatible with all Ocolab stage-top chambers. Ocolab UNO combined controller has been discontinued. UNO comes in two versions: UNO-T-H-CO2, that is temperature, humidity, and gas mixing, and UNO-T-H-PREMIXED, to be used with premixed gas. All Ocolab stage-top chambers are compatible with UNO-T-H-CO2 and UNO-T-H-PREMIXED. To illustrate the microenvironmental chambers, I will use a K-frame for inverted microscopes. A K-frame simply fits a microscope stage with an opening 160 by 110 millimeters. This is just an example, as chambers for all stage brands and models, including upright, are available. Ocolab K-frame chambers have built-in perfusion holes. They come plugged with small screws. You can unplug them if you need to do perfusion. The lid slides open, and you do not have to put water inside the chamber to provide humidity. Hence, there is no moat and no water. Several optional lids are available for the K-frame chamber: a Kohler lid allowing you to focus a condenser, an injection lid for the insertion of capillaries, or a laser interlock lid for laser safety. A sample is placed inside the microenvironmental chamber using an insert. This slide shows you a partial list. Please focus on the inserts in the red box. These are meant for multi-well plates. A stage-top incubator will require a perforated metal plate to improve thermal uniformity on the bottom surface. However, if you're using an oil immersion objective, the insert for multi-well plates will be an open frame, as shown in the blue box. This will allow the objective to move freely between wells. If you're using an oil immersion objective, you have to use an objective heater, here in the image on the right. The objective heater is represented by a heating band, here in yellow, secured around the objective, in this example by a green strap. An oil immersion objective will touch the bottom of the well through the oil and will draw heat away from your sample. This is why an objective heater is required with oil immersion objectives. Let's see all the components included in UNO-T-H-CO2. UNO-T-H-CO2 includes a temperature controller with a 4.3-inch touchscreen interface. This intuitive, user-friendly interface has onboard memory to log data and a mini USB port to download it to a memory card. The home page of the user-friendly interface shows the temperature set point and the temperature of the chamber lid, base, objective heater if you're using one, as well as the temperatures of the heated components of the humidity module. Note that to have the sample reach 37 degrees, the various heated components may reach temperatures higher than the set point. UNO-T-H-CO2 includes a dual gas mixer accepting CO2 and background air. This is a manual mixer with a 1% accuracy. An air pump is also included. UNO-T-H-CO2 includes a humidity module. This has a heated base, a glass bottle with lid, and a heated and insulated tubing. To operate the humidity module, simply enable it by checking the box and input room temperature. The system will automatically set the temperature of the heating base and heated tube, optimizing humidity performance. If you're using 100% CO2 and air, here is what you need: UNO-T-H-CO2, a stage-top chamber based on your stage brand and model, sample inserts according to your tissue culture vessels, and an objective heater if you're imaging with oil immersion objectives. If you're using a premixed gas source, then select UNO-T-H-PREMIXED. It includes a temperature controller with a 4.3-inch touchscreen interface, user-friendly and intuitive. The device has onboard memory to log data and a mini USB port to download it to an external memory card. The home page of the user-friendly interface shows the temperature set point and the temperature of the chamber lid, base, objective heater if you're using one, as well as the temperatures of the heated components of the humidity module. Note that to have the sample reach 37 degrees, the various heated components may reach temperatures higher than the set point. UNO-T-H-PREMIXED includes a humidity module comprising of a heated base, a bottle with cap, and a heated and insulated tubing. To operate the humidity module, enable it by checking the box and input room temperature. The system will automatically set the temperature of the heating base and heated tube, optimizing humidity performance. If you're using a premixed gas source, here's what you need: UNO-T-H-PREMIXED, a stage top chamber according to your stage brand and model, inserts according to your sample tissue culture vessels, and an objective heater if you're imaging with oil immersion objectives. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, contact us at info@oco-lab.com.